Take the kids for a walk, try and get a deer. Never seen so much stinging nettle. And the kids are in shorts. Time to go home. Too wet and the kids are getting stung to bits. Stung to bits by this stuff. No, got nothing. Stuffed the wind up a little bit, but never mind, the wind was sort of up and down the creek. But yeah, have another go tomorrow. Well, we had a lot of rain last night. Pissed down there for a while and this morning. But it's sort of picked up this afternoon, so Shannon and I are going to go for a walk. We don't get a deer by sitting in the hut. We're just going to walk upstream and look up the side and have a look around and see how we go. Another creek, another head gut. Raining again. Where are these deer hiding? Another head gut. Bugger, just saw a big velvety, big stag. Suck the Kuruma. Oh, another 20 minutes to go back to the hut. Sidle around and then drop back down the creek and back up to the hut. Only see one deer for the day. That's not good. I think someone's been in here, eh? Broken ferns up and down the creek. So somebody's been in here recently. I would say most of the deer that haven't been shot in here have gone up high to get away from the human smell in the creek. That's where we saw most of the sign today, was up in the guts. And up further up, not much down in the creeks at all. And lots of human sign. Busted ferns and yeah. So the deer have gone up. They've gone up away from the humans. The only bugger about this time of the year, members only, the Waikato Draft Club keg tops. The family have some good times when they come into their hut. Put the wet clothes on, go for a hunt up the ridge. See if we can bump into anything. Where is it, Lynn?
I saw it. It's going up down.
Lynn? What's the hold up? Haven't got exactly the right footwear for it though, eh? We'll have to get you some proper boots.
Mum, I asked Mum to, but she didn't listen.
Okay, almost back. Go down through here. Big mushrooms. Type of mushroom, I guess. Somebody will correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you can eat those ones. Aylin.
I don't know.
side.